Why does aging affect ADH and cause nocturia? Imagine waking up in the middle of the night feeling like you just drank a whole glass of water. That's often what happens with nocturia, a common issue among older adults. To understand why aging influences this, we need to look at how our body manages water and urine. As we get older, the body's regulation of a hormone called antidiuretic hormone, or ADH, changes. ADH, also known as vasopressin, helps control how much water the kidneys conserve or excrete. Normally, when you are sleeping, ADH levels increase, signaling the kidneys to hold onto water and produce less urine. But with age, this process doesn't work as smoothly. One key change is that the sensors in the brain that detect blood concentration become more sensitive. This means they overreact to small changes, causing the body to release more ADH than necessary. This extra ADH promotes water retention during the day, which is good. But at night, the regulation can become less effective, and the body may not suppress urine production as well as it should. Another factor is that kidney function declines with age. The kidneys become less efficient at concentrating urine and handling water. Their ability to produce concentrated urine diminishes, especially after age 65. This means that even if ADH is working, the kidneys might not respond properly, leading to more urine being produced at night. There's also evidence that the expression of vasopressin receptors in the kidneys and bladder changes with age. These receptors respond to ADH, and alterations in their levels can affect how the bladder senses fullness and how urine is managed. This might make older adults feel the need to urinate more often at night. Hormonal shifts play a role too. Levels of hormones like atrial natriuretic peptide increase, while others involved in fluid regulation, such as the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, become less responsive. These changes can cause the body to lose sodium and water, increasing urine output, especially during the night. All these factors combined mean that older adults often experience increased urine production at night, known as nocturnal polyuria. This leads to waking up multiple times to urinate, which can disturb sleep and affect overall bladder health. It's important to recognize that these changes are part of normal aging, but they can be managed with medical guidance. Understanding these physiological shifts helps explain why nocturia becomes more common with age. If you or someone you know is experiencing frequent nighttime urination, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine if there's an underlying condition or suggest ways to improve sleep and bladder health. Remember, everyone's body is different, and personalized medical advice is always the best course of action.